Adelani, and I like tying gay lace.
Say hi, my name is...
Looking at you.
Yeah.
The gele is something that completes the woman's look. As we have the head to the body, the gele is the head to the whole outfit. It completes the woman's look for the day or event that she has. I believe that once you learn how to tie a gele, it shows that you're ready for marriage, you're ready for the next step, you're a woman. It really makes you seem mature to the Nigerian mothers and aunties and older ladies, I guess. Honestly, I don't know why. It just came as a, oh, let me just start learning how to tie it, and I just got attached to it, like the pleating and the making sure everything looked neat. It kind of just spoke to me, and I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna stick to this and learn. I had a friend, Lola. She first introduced me to tying it. Then she told me to watch YouTube videos. So it's her and YouTube videos that I've been watching all day. I feel like each person has a signature that they do, but with mine, I try to make sure it's like the oval look. And it's not like the perfect oval look, but it's like a little tilted to the back, and, you know, just so the pleating shows more than the top look. Pleating are the folds that are on the gele. So you push the gele material inward and outward until you get like a full fold, which is also called a pleat, and you continue to do that throughout the whole gele. Birthday parties, you want to go big and extravagant. If, for example, if I'm doing a wedding, I'll make sure I do more pleats. More pleats shows like really structured and just, all right, I'm the one who's a part of the family who's doing the wedding. But if it's like a party, you can just make it big, and they call it gele to pariwo, meaning gele that's loud. So you want people to know that you're there. Of course, as someone who picks up something, you will always be learning as you get better at the craft that you're learning. So I'm always learning, and I'm still learning about the culture of gele, how it began, what's the significance of it, why is it so important in the Nigerian culture. So of course, I'm still learning that, and I hope to be one of those professionals that you actually do call for any party that you, or any event that you have, because it is a way of making money, but I don't know, it just feels great to be able to say I can do this craft and, you know, be proud of something that you can do, you know. A lot of people can't say that, so.